One of the well-known districts in North Karnataka is Bidar. This district lures the tourists with its enticing architecture. The Bahamani tombs, the Bidar fort, and the Jarna Narsimha cave temple are few of the tourist spots in Bidar. Bidar is known for its art. Bidri ware is an art form which has been followed since 500 years. This quintessential piece of art requires a lot of effort. It's an alloy of zinc and copper with the inlaying of pure silver. The glamour of this art has been exhibited in many parts of India. Bidri is also used in momentums and trophies. The significance of Bidri art in Bidar gave it the GI tag. But now, the artisans are striving to continue this art. They believe that they don't make money in this art anymore.
सारा दिन में 200 से 250 रुपये नहीं बनते इसके अंदर। मान लीजिए एक लेबर होता है तो 300 रुपये कमाता है, एक आर्टिसन इतना काम करके 200-250 रुपये नहीं कमाता।
पहले क्या आया था, जैसे चांदी सस्ती थी और हर रॉ मटेरियल सस्ता था, तो गिरानी कम थी, चलता था, कम कमा तो भी मजे में रहते थे। कुछ मैडम 3 महीनों को 4 महीनों को एक बार दिए तो क्या होने वाला है?
महीनों को एक बार लेना,
महीनों को एक बार दिए ना, अच्छा चलता है।
Kulsum Gully in Bidar is where you'll find all the Bidri ware action. Most of the artisans have set up their shops and manufacturing sheds in there. The materials used in making Bidri ware are copper, zinc, ammonium chloride and pure silver. Bidri ware is a composite of 90% zinc and 10% copper. This mixture is poured into the mold to solidify, known as casting. Now, to alter the pale grey color into temporary black, copper sulfate is rubbed on it. Later, the artisans manually engrave designs on it, and then pure silver or gold is inlaid in the engraving using few instruments like chisel. This is a very strenuous work for the artisans as the art is very intricate. Now, the last step in the making involves some interesting ingredients. To get the black color on the grey ware, a particular soil is mixed with 1% of ammonium chloride and is heated in a vessel. It is said that this soil is only found in Bidar fort.
इधर के किले में ही मिलता है और कहीं नहीं मिलता है। मैंने इतना कंट्रियाँ घूमा है, अमेरिका गया, जर्मनी गया, चाइना गया, वहाँ पे भी पुराने इमारतें में जाके तहकीक किया, लेकिन वहाँ पे भी मिट्टी नहीं है, सिर्फ ओनली बीदर में मिट्टी है। वो भी कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि मालूम है किला को तोड़ दे रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं और वो भी ख़त्म कर दे रहे हैं उसकी बोले, तो बोला कि नहीं, उससे मिट्टी से हमारे को किले तोड़ने से मतलब नहीं है, तो वो तो बैंड है, कैसा लेकर आते हैं। तो मैंने बताया कि चोरी से लेकर आते हैं। 1 रुपया केजी था मेटल, और कॉपर 1 रुपया 50 पैसे केजी था, और सिल्वर का रेट जो था वो 2 रुपया 10 ग्राम था। उस टाइम से मैं काम सीखा। आज का रेट इसका 450 रुपया 10 ग्राम चल रहा है।
Last 10 years and present time, so growth of Bidri ware is very minimal. You can say constant because of a rise in price of production, cost of production, you can say, due to silver cost. Last some 10 years back is about 1,500 rupees per kg. Sorry, 15,000 rupees per kg that time. Now is 50 to 60,000 per kg now. That's the big impact on Bidri ware.
Bidri ware was first introduced during the Bahamani rule. Ahmad Shah Wali Bahamani, who was very fond of art, called artisans from all over the world to decorate the walls of his fort, and one of them was Abdullah bin Kaiser from Iran. He is known as the father of Bidri ware. Kaiser, with the help of few Bidri artisans, introduced this ware. Bidar fort walls till date carry the engraving of this art. But now, due to the ill maintenance, Rangeen Mahal in the fort is the only place where the art is prominent. Due to the lack of conservation of the monuments, Bidar district is now part of World Monuments Funds, which protects the heritage and monuments of the country.
आइटम को सही तरीके से सबको बोल के उसका क्या 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 है क्या क्या नहीं सब बोलकर बेचे तो बेच सकते।
దాని గురించి తెలీదు తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను
उतना कुछ आइडिया नहीं मेरे इसके बारे में
Because I just came out from my cousin's place, so I just come here to have a look.
ಬಿದರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
There are merely about 151 artisans enrolled under the Karnataka State Handicraft Development Department. Unregistered may account to 250. The reason for the number to be knee-high is that the artisans over the years have shifted to other occupations, and the funds offered by the state government, which is 10 lakhs per month, are also not sufficient for all the 151 artisans.
The thing is that to save the art, we have to save the artisans. For that, we have to stop the migration of the artisans from this business to other.
पहले 7,000 का सामान लेते थे, 7,000 6,000 का, अब और 4,000 कर कम कर डाला।
Procurement from the artisans also depends based on the demand from the market and customers. So usually, whenever we get good demand, we will procure up to 6,000 per month from each artist. And if there is a decrease in the demand, it will be restricted to 3,000 per month.
The government has made few attempts to secure this art, like the Bidriware School Training Center. This center was an attempt to train artisans. This center stopped functioning around 2 years ago due to some management issues. The government in few ways has managed to promote this art by putting up this art for sale in few websites. Displaying Bidri in places like Kaveri Emporium, Lepakshi also helped.
By the 20% discount, we don't get it. Because we must have seen their living conditions also. We are also concerned about ameliorating their living conditions, the socio-economic conditions. Corporation is not about, it is not here to make profit from the items that these artisans make. We want to see that artisans improve their living conditions. So no, we are not making any profit by selling these items.
Bidriware includes tables, hookah pots and jewellery. The pricing of these things vary with size and shape. This hookah pot costs around 12,000.
कस्टमर क्या है बोले तो गिफ्ट देने के लिए चीप आइटम मांगते हैं। ये एल्यूमिनियम होता है, इसके ऊपर कॉपर कोटेड होता है, कास्टिंग होता है, इसमें चांदी का वर्क होने से थोड़ा कॉस्टली होता है। एक्चुअल बिजली वर्क ये है। काम करने हमारे बच्चों को नहीं डालते आगे इसमें।